Hello, today we'll be comparing Kenmore coffee maker 12 cup drip coffee machine versus Keurig slim single serve K-cup pot coffee maker. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. Brewing options: Kenmore is better, capacity Kenmore is better, material balance Kenmore is better, brew storage control is high, programmable features Kenmore is better, water reservoir Keurig is better, keep warm function Kenmore is better, after shut off is high, green dry is high, milk frozen is high, dimensions Keurig is better, ease of cleaning Keurig is better, color type Kenmore is better, price Kenmore is better, special features Keurig is better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Kenmore coffee maker 12 cup drip coffee machine. The link to buy it is in the video description.